guys, it is Ashley Colet, and today I am going to be teaching you how to embrace the waves but not the frizz. I am growing my hair out now since I've had short hair for the past 3 years. I found it really hard to maintain my wavy hair because here in the Philippines, it's so humid, it's so hot. So instead of it being super nice, super mermaid hair, super cute, it tends to be frizzy, poofy, wiry, dry. But then I discovered a new product, a product that I am obsessed with. I am going to be showing you guys the product in a while. But right now, let's just appreciate my hair. Ta-da! This is Kerastase Oleo-Relax Ritual, also known as the orange bottle because obviously it is orange and I have been loving this routine so much. I'm gonna explain to you guys how I use these one by one and how it has been because I have been loving this so much, guys. So let's go! Okay, so starting off with the shampoo, I usually wash my hair every other day. And as I've seen on TikTok, that you should be washing your hair twice in the shower during wash days. And it has been working great for me because my hair tends to get really dry if I wash it every day. So next up is the conditioner. I use this every wash as well together with the shampoo. So I just put it on the ends and then I let it stay for about 1 to 2 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes or longer if I want my hair to be extra. Alright, so this is the hair mask. I usually use this once a week since I have thin and short hair. I usually leave this on for about 4 to 5 minutes, only on my ends, like ear down. Don't put this on your scalp because your scalp is gonna get really oily. And don't leave this on overnight. You're gonna wake up with super greasy, oily hair. So you can leave this on for about 4 to 5 minutes, or if you want to keep it on for longer while, let's say, you're pampering yourself or you're giving yourself a spa day, you can leave it on for maximum 30 minutes. If you have thicker hair, thick and long hair, you can use this 2 to 3 times a day. 2 to 3 times a week. So this is the Kerastase Oleo-Relax oil. This has been my holy grail. It is infused with different kinds of oils that are healthy for your hair, and sometimes other oils can be too oily, or like instead of it nurturing or like helping maintain your hair, it just makes it look so greasy. Anyways, but this one, instead of it looking greasy, it just makes your hair look so shiny and it tames your hair. Wait, actually I can use it right now in front of you guys and show you, but like a pea-sized amount since I have short hair, just like that. There. And then I usually rub it around like all over my hands and then lightly rake my hair with my fingers para the oil is not directly going onto my hair. I just usually put it on the ends of my hair, not on the scalp, because your hair is going to be oily and greasy and you do not want that. So just on your ends, below your ears. And then sometimes I flip my hair over, but I'm not gonna do that now. I usually flip my hair over. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 so you can see the full view of my hair. Love it! So here are tips and tricks on how I maintain my hair looking so healthy and less frizzy. Tip number 1. If you guys want to know how frizzy your hair is, try the balloon test. If you can see that a lot of hair has stuck to the balloon, that means your hair is frizzy, but don't worry, just use the Oleo-Relax oil and you are good to go. Tip number 2. So I just genuinely really love how the oil goes a long way. I usually put around a pea-sized amount only and I apply it on my hair ear down to avoid oiliness or greasiness on the scalp. Tip number 3. Teamwork makes the dream work. If you guys like the oil or if you have tried it already, I highly recommend you guys trying out the whole ritual as well. If you're not sure if Oleo is for you, that is okay. You guys can head over to HairMNL and talk to them about your hair concerns and your hair goals, and for sure they will know which product line is for you. So there you guys have it. That is my easy tutorial on how I embrace the waves but not the frizz. I have been loving my natural wavy hair recently, and it just made my hair look so nice. It made my hair look so healthy, so shiny, so bouncy, and I just love it. Can you see how it looks right now? It looks so healthy. And I hope you guys try out this product line as well. And if you do, I hope you love it. And if you're interested in purchasing, head over to HairMNL.com and purchase your very own Kerastase line now.